So I cut that video kind of short because I was thinking of a different way to actually get rid of that tire pressure issue, like the light itself. And I was like, okay, I'll just save this for later. And guess what? I drove it maybe like I'd say like 15 miles, and then I just stopped, looked at my phone, checked out some news on my phone or whatever, and I looked up and it's gone. The tire pressure light went away by itself, self-corrected, and my tire pressure numbers are up, and none of them are below 33 psi, which is what it's supposed to be. So basically, the moral to the story is, um, you know, this is a very this is a 2010 hybrid Highlander. It's got a lot of electronics in there. Sometimes it's glitchy or whatever. Like I said, it's the first time it came up with me having that message. But it went away by itself. It's self-corrected, pretty much. It's self-corrected. I actually went on YouTube, Googled it just to see whether anybody had the same issue where that situation came up. And I was thinking, worst case scenario, I'll just probably disconnect my battery, the negative line, negative cable, and it should clear it. But I didn't do anything. I just drove to where I was going, stopped for a little bit, checked out my phone, and basically looked up, and it cleared itself. It disappeared. So it's self-corrected. So good stuff. I'm happy about it. So because now I don't have to try to figure out what the issue, what the real issue was. This car does not have a reset button. I don't know why it doesn't, because I checked out other Highlanders, and the 2005 had a reset button. This does not have a reset button. So not that I could see it, because I didn't actually go under to look too long, but I was checking it out right next to the OBD2 where the plug is, and I did not see a reset button. I mean, I might have it. I'm not quite sure. I wasn't actually looking around too much for it. But if you guys run into the same situation, probably just driving around for a good 15 minutes or whatever, hold off and trying to fix it, and see if it disappears on its own, which it did on my car. So next time this happens, I'll probably just wait for it to correct itself. And I've noticed from working on this car that there are a couple of things where it just self-corrects. It does self-correct. After a little bit, it does self-correct. All right, guys?